Two civilians, one a school principal and the other a teacher, have been shot dead by terrorists in Srinagar in the Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This incident has occurred just days after the killing of three people in quick succession in Srinagar and Bandipora. The victims, Satinder Kaur and Deepak Chand, were both educators, one a school principal and the other a teacher in Srinagar's Eidgah area. According to the police, the attack took place at the government-run Sangam school. The victims are said to have been shot at point-blank range. The local police saying that the terrorists responsible for these killings acted based on the explicit instructions of Pakistani agencies. The police also saying the perpetrators are trying to create an atmosphere of fear and disrupt communal harmony.
ये अपने आप में दरिंदगी, वहशत और दहशत का एक मेल है, जिसमें बिल्कुल बेगुनाह जो लोग हैं, जो समाज की सेवा में लगे हैं, जिनका किसी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, उनको टारगेट किया जा रहा है। ये दहशत का माहौल पैदा करने के निशाने से इस तरह की कार्रवाई जो है, और कम्युनल रंग देने के लिए ऐसी किलिंग्स को, ताकि आपसी भाईचारा जो जहां पर कश्मीर में आपस में लोगों का है, उसको नुकसान पहुंचे, उसको ठेस पहुंचे।
And taking to Twitter, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said that a befitting reply will be given to terrorists who killed the two teachers at a school in Srinagar's Old Town. The latest attack marks a series of targeted killings of civilians in Jammu and Kashmir. On Tuesday, a 68-year-old local businessman and pharmacist was shot dead. This attack also took place in the district of Srinagar. The same day, a street vendor from the same city and a Bandipora resident was shot dead in separate incidents. So far, there have been dual claims of responsibility by terror groups for these attacks. The Resistance Front, which is said to be an offshoot of the Lashkar-e-Toiba group, has taken responsibility for the 5th of October as well as today's attack. Meanwhile, the Islamic State in Jammu and Kashmir has sought to take claim of the attack on a hawker that happened on the 5th of October. However, the police have not yet held any specific terror group responsible. Authorities have started an investigation and are yet to come out with an official version. Our correspondent Idris Lone sending us more on these developments.
In the last 10 days, 7 civilians have been killed across the Kashmir Valley. Today, 2 school teachers were killed with point-blank range in the school premises that we are standing in at the moment. You can see that the whole school premise has been completely covered by security forces. They are trying to nab the attackers, and that's one of the reasons that this whole area has been cordoned off by the security forces. Just day before yesterday, we saw 3 civilian killings happening, 2 in Srinagar and 1 in Bandipora area. The famous chemist Emil Bindru was killed right outside his shop. There was a street vendor who was killed in Srinagar's Lal Bazar area, and then there was a sumo driver in North Kashmir's Bandipora area who was killed in an attack. Before that, we also saw 2 civilians being killed in different parts of the valley. So overall, the situation remains extremely tense. The security has been put on high alert across Jammu and Kashmir after these incidents. The Jammu Kashmir police says that this could be to basically raise a communal tension in Jammu and Kashmir. The reason behind these attacks could be that. However, there is TRF, the Resistance Front, that has taken responsibility for that attack, for these attacks. But Jammu and Kashmir police saying that they have kind of solved the attacks, and soon there'll be a press conference wherein they'll give details of who are the people responsible behind these attacks. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.